Hi class, so welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we will discuss the higher order derivatives. So, for example na agad tayo para mabilis. So, find the third order derivatives of f of x equals 5x raised to 4 plus 3x cubed minus 2x squared plus 5. So, it means tatlong ulit mo lang siyang kukunin ng derivative. So, f of x, so first order derivative, ito yung first order. So, f prime of x. So, kunin natin yung derivative ni 5x raised to 4. So, we have 20x raised to 3 plus 3x cubed. Ang derivative ay 9x squared. Derivative ni negative 2x squared or minus 2x squared is minus 4x. 2 times 2 is 4. And then, x na lang. Derivative ni 5 ay 0. So, wala na. So, next natin is the second order derivative. Pang third, ang hinahanap natin ay third. So, second order, f prime prime of x. Ganyan. So, or the second order derivative. It means, kukunin naman natin yung derivative ni first order o yung f prime of x. So, 20x cubed is magiging 60x squared plus 9x squared, ang derivative ay 18x. Derivative ni 4x minus 4x is minus 4 na lang. Next, last one is the third order derivative or the f prime 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 of x. So, yan yung ating third order. So, it means, kukunin naman natin yung derivative nito ulit. 60x squared, ang derivative na yan ay 120x plus derivative ni 18x is 18. Derivative ni 4, 0. So, ito na lang. So, find the third order. So, therefore, ito na yung ating sagot, which is the 120x plus 18. That is the third order derivative. Okay? So, next natin, the given is f of x equals sin x. So, find the fourth order. So, f raised to 4 of x. Ibig sabihin yan, fourth order. Hindi mo pwedeng, hindi na natin ilalagay yung kagaya nito. 1, 2, 3. So, kapag 4 pataas, number na lang ilalagay. So, ibig sabihin yan, the fourth order derivative. So, ang given natin is si f of x equals sin x. So, kunin natin yung first order, f prime of x. What is the derivative of sin x? Cosine x. Next. Kunin naman natin yung second order derivative. F prime of x. So, ano naman derivative ni cosine x? Negative sin x. Next naman natin is the third order derivative. So, f prime of x equals, what is the derivative of sin x? Cosine x ulit. Pero may negative. So, ilalabas lang natin yung negative cosine x. Ganyan. Kasi, di ba, negative, labas yan. Ano ba kinuha natin yung derivative? Derivative ni sin x, which is cosine x. So, labas yung negative. Next naman natin is the fourth order derivative. So, f raised to 4 of x, which is ito na yung hinahanap natin. The fourth order derivative. So, the fourth order derivative of negative cosine x equals, so, kunin naman natin ang derivative ni cosine x. What is the derivative of cosine x? So, copy ko lang to, negative, and then, derivative ni cosine x, di ba, is negative sin x. So, ito na yung fourth order derivative. I-simplify lang natin. Negative times negative, positive sin x. So, the final answer is positive sin x. So, ito yung sagot. Kung mapapansin nyo, sa fourth order, bumalik lang ulit sa sin x, which is the given. Kasi property yun ni sine and cosine. Kapag fourth order derivative nila, bumabalik lang sila sa dati. Okay? So, the answer is sin x, the fourth order derivative. So, ganun lang, class. For example, ang hingin ay fifth order derivative, sixth order, seventh order, or whatsoever. Ganun lang yung gagawin natin. Okay? Okay, so, for our last example, if sa higher order derivative, paano kapag ganito naman yung given? If f of x equals 6x raised to 4 minus 5x cubed plus 3x, what value of n will make f raised to n of x equals 0, or f, or the nth order derivative will make 0. So, pang ilang order kaya, class? Kasi ang n ang hinahanap ito siya. Pang ilang order kaya ng derivative, which is ang makukuha na natin ay 0 na. Kung ito ang given. So, ang gagawin nyo lang dyan is kunin nyo lang na kunin yung derivative hanggang sa maging 0 na. So, ang given natin ay f of x equals, ulitin ko lang, 6x raised to 4 minus 5x cubed plus 3x. So, tingnan natin. Kunin natin yung first order derivative. So, f prime of x, 6x raised to 4 magiging 4 times 6 is 24x raised to 3. And then minus 5 times 3, 15, minus 15x squared. Derivative ni 3x ay 3. So, plus 3. Next. So, obvious naman na hindi pa 0 at malayo pa makarating sa 0. So, kunin naman natin yung second order. F prime of x, 24x cube. So, 24x cube, ang derivative niyan ay 72x squared. Minus, derivative naman ni 15x squared is 30x. Derivative ni 3 ay 0, so wala na. So, hindi pa rin 0, di pa na natin nare-reach yung 0. So, kunin naman natin yung third order derivative. Equals 72x squared. So, ang derivative niyan is 144x. Minus, derivative ni 30x ay 30. So, ganun lang ang process, ulit-ulit, hanggang makarating tayo sa 0. So, kunin natin yung fourth order derivative. So, f, or the fourth order derivative is, derivative ni 144x is 144. Next is, derivative ni 30, 0. So, 144 na lang. So, ayan na. The fifth order derivative, anong derivative ni 144? Since 144 is a constant and the derivative of a constant is 0. So, na-reach na natin class yung 0. So, anong value ng n? Ayan o. What is the value of n na naging 0 yung ating derivative? Nukunin natin yung derivative. So, the value of n is 5. So, n is equal to 5. It means, pang fifth order, nakakuha tayo ng 0. So, ganun lang siya. Okay, so that's for higher order derivative. So, kung ang given natin ay apply ng chain rule, ng product rule, quotient rule, ganun pa din. Basta paulit-ulit nyo lang kukunin yung derivative. Depende dun sa hinahanap. So, that's all. Thank you. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thank you so much. Bye!